Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the series of videos in which we of manually shifting through COOISPIT code confirmation, missing critical exception, and dealing with inefficient production order management in SAP. So imagine a world where VBA automates your workflow such that and it flags every discrepancies and even triggers follow-up actions for you. So, so this is a startup video for that ambition, which you might have. This may be the first step towards that direction. So this video will show you exactly how to build that automation, that reality, transforming your SAP operations. We are showing you our tool, which with the click of button, it takes you to the SAP and does its job. If you want to execute some T code, they are done automatically and you get the result quickly. And there are the options that you can download them to the Excel and do the further analytical work for you. Okay, discuss the mechanism which we have developed to execute this production report. And this is it. This is a single entry, but it can cater multiple variants. You don't have to worry about the variant that which you create. It automatically adopts and updates the drop down accordingly. Means you just create a variant into the SAP, and you will find that variant already available here. Yeah. This is the beauty of the system, right? Okay, so you don't have to worry about the availability of variant. All you need to do is create the variant there which you want, and the same report will run with your desired variant, right? For example, you have this is a product list variant, yeah, and you want to execute it, right? So all you need to do is just execute. So it is going to the SAP. It's creating. It's creating the report and it will bring it into here. It will bring it inside the download sheet of the system, right? You have a download sheet in the system, yeah, and this will be updated. So these all are the production list. This is the one line. It's a header information of every process. What was it for the material and mostly finished good and semi-finished goods, right? So this is the one-liner information. Their financials and their other information like order type and a supervisor code and the plant on which it is executed and MRP code and MRP area and the customer details, etc. So now what I do is that I change the variant. I change the variant like this. So this is a document good movement report. So of course that would come up. This report will include the minute levels of your production process, right? Including all the materials and all the semi-materials until it reaches to the finished good, right? So let's execute this version. So all you are doing here is that just clicking it and it's going and bringing you your desired report from the SAP directly into your download sheet. As you can see, yeah, this is the download sheet, and in it you can easily see that this is the production process. This is the raw material. These two raw materials are combined. That makes a semi-finished good, right? Okay, so this was a process, and the other you see these are just refinement of the material maybe. Okay, and see this one. This one, you have a raw material, it goes through a certain process, and then a semi-finished good is created under the same order, and then comes the final stage of finished good, right? And the activities, yeah, these are the activities. So if you take this one, okay, this is the start of with the raw material, then it is converted into the semi-finished good, and this is the finished good stage. And this is how it is going, right? So it is exactly what the people want in order to analyze their production process and do the analytics and bring some improvements in their process and keep monitoring, right, and see how well they are performing, so they can base their decision making on these analytical reports. And this tool is going to make your life easy, as it requires all you need to do is click a button and it will log you onto the SAP and select the module which you want to execute. Okay, and then select the report which you have for this module. You have multiple reports, and this information will come off itself. If there are variants, then you can select your desired variant as well, and it's going to be executed. Let's execute it again. Now, so this time a product list will come. Yeah, you can see this is the product layer. It's one line manner, the bottom line of the production process order, and its financial side of it is from the column K and onwards. And this is how, right? So let's go to the SAP and do one thing more. Let's see how good is this system. If we create a new variant, we do it manually, first of all, because we have to create a new variant. Okay, so this time we take, instead of order headers, we take, say, for example, confirmations, right? Okay, these are the confirmations, and we use this plant, for example, 1710. And before executing it, let's execute and see if it's fine. Then we make a variant of it, right? So this is the variant, which are listed. What are these? Are the confirmations, right, of the process, right? These are confirmed. So let's get back to the variant and save this variant so that our system adopts it automatically, right? Okay, what we do here is we go to variant, we save this variant as, and this time it's a confirmations. Confirmation 1710. These are the plant, right? Confirmations of plant function. 1710. Okay. Okay, we save it. So now we have an additional variant. Let's see how this variant is adapted into Excel automatically. Let's get back to the Excel. This is our Excel file. And in here, we start from here so that it, okay, we say PP, okay. So by doing this, we are actually updating, refreshing it without any variant. If we run it, say, with a variant or without a variant, what would happen? Leaving this variant blank and executing the report will will trigger a refresh into this dropdown. Means any new variant which is added in SAP will automatically be appeared in this. You can see this here. This is the variant which we created. So if you don't find your variant in here, just all you need to do is run it with a blank in here in the variant field. You do not enter any variant and execute it. So so it will come up with a message that please enter the variant, because it will do the two things. One thing is that it will update the variant drop down with any new variant created in SAP, and then it will inform you that now you can use your desired variant. So confirmation report will come when you execute it like this. It's running, it's bringing all your data into the download sheet, and this is your your report. The process is complete, and now you can further do any enhancement into it, or any other analytical work which you want to do, or share it with your team, whatever. Okay. I hope you would like this enhancement in the system. Thank you very much for watching.